Florida is blessed with a bounty of shellfish, from oysters from Apalachicola on the Panhandle to hardshell clams from Cedar Key. My favorite way to enjoy them, you guessed it, on the grill. To cook the shellfish, I'm using a big green egg large. Actually, I'm using two. I filled the firebox with natural lump charcoal, and to generate wood smoke, I'll add a couple of hickory wood chunks. Next, insert the grill grate. I'll close the lid, adjust the vents. I want to obtain a temperature of about 450 degrees. For the oysters, let's make the stuffing. It starts with 1 tablespoon of melted butter. Add thinly slivered applewood smoked bacon. Then thinly slivered scallions and finely chopped jalapeno chilies. And cook this mixture until the bacon is browned. These are Florida oysters, nice big size for grilling. And to shuck an oyster, hold it in a dishcloth. Use an oyster shucking knife, which has a slightly curved blade. Insert it into the hinge of the oyster. Give a little twist to loosen the top shell. Then slide the oyster knife in to cut the adductor muscle that holds the oyster to the top shell. Then loosen the oyster from the bottom shell with the knife and place the oyster on the shellfish rack. The beauty of a shellfish rack, it keeps the oyster upright so you don't lose the juices. So there are your oysters. Now for the topping, add the finely chopped dill right at the end so it keeps the bright, fresh herb flavor. Wow, bacon, herbs, scallions, doesn't get better than that. Place a spoonful of the bacon dill mixture in each oyster shell. Once the oysters are stuffed, place them on the grill. Close the lid. The cooking time is quick, about 5 to 8 minutes. Just long enough to cook the oysters, but you still want to leave them a little raw and moist in the center. Now for the clams, add some white wine to the remaining bacon mixture. Bring it to a boil. While the wine is boiling, these are beautiful little neck clams from Cedar Key, right down the road from Steinhatchee. And arrange these in your grill basket. To cook the clams in the clam basket, we have a second grill. I'll open the bottom vent up wide. I want a super hot fire. And we'll just roast the clams in the grill basket on the second grill. So just to finish the sauce, once the wine has boiled and reduced by half, we'll add a half a stick of butter, wine, bacon, and dill. This is going to make an incredibly flavorful sauce for the clams. So check out the oysters. You can see the juices are bubbling. The oysters are firm, but still a little yielding. So they're ready. I like to serve them just simply on a slate slab. I guess you could call these oysters Steinhatchee. And the heat of the grill has popped the clams open. So simply add the clams to your bacon wine butter broth. And stir to mix. And now I give you clam Steinhatchee. So let's see how we did. I'll take an oyster and a couple of clams. I love the taste of smoke and bacon and oysters. Big flavors. Oysters are nice and moist. Really nice combination. Don't forget to slurp the juices. Try the clams. These clams are so sweet and delicate. The wine adds a nice acidity to counterpoint the butter and bacon.